Okay, so today we're doing another unboxing video. So we did one at Christmas.
Yeah.
And we just are doing one today because we got stuff from Crazy Bins. So first things first is our sweaters. Mine is Stranger Things.
And mine is Place and Place. And
Okay.
I got
and
unspeakable
shirt. He got an unspeakable shirt, both ways. And all this stuff is from Crazy Bins.
Yeah.
Okay, and the next thing, I think we have to show this one. Should we show this one? This one. Okay, so, axolotls
axolotl.
from Minecraft. So we're just gonna open these. I'm going to get some scissors or something like that.
Be careful when you cut open.
Yep.
Guys, I think yeah, his is inflatable, guys. I do not know why, but I wanted his inflatable.
It's not inflatable. It's airtight. Okay, so and then you squeeze it a bit. Okay. Then axolotl. So this is my axolotl. And then I'll open Quentin's right here.
Mine is thick.
Do you need help? Okay.
And
So we got the axolotls.
axolotl. Boom, ba, boom.
Okay, so the next thing, so we're just gonna put the axolotl, I'm gonna put mine right here. This one, should we do it? Okay, fidgets.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna open mine. This time we're both gonna open them at the same time, okay?
No.
You don't need scissors?
No.
Okay, so, I'm gonna do the mush and meshes first.
What's that doing?
Do your infinity cube. So, yeah, we're gonna get the mush and mesh marbles. There's ways to get these out and make them into more. So, yeah, I might do that.
Oh, I have my big guy here.
Okay, and then the infinity cube.
Well, I'm getting all of these guys out because I want them to be freedom.
Okay, I'm gonna save this for last. Put it over here. Because I'm not sure what that is. Hey, Quentin! There's more. Monkey noodles.
I'm doing now this
Okay, don't show yet, okay? Don't show it yet. Don't show it yet. Okay, so these, you can connect these. You can connect these two together. Oh my gosh, this is hard.
So you make,
To make an extra long one.
and these you can play with, which is a squishy guy. Squishy guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna open them. Mine.
Oh, I'm. What? How do you get that? Ooh.
So I got these two guys. Wait. These two guys. And then I got two more. this guy,
You never saw these before, Sam.
This guy. Tell me if you know what these guys are. Because I really don't know what they look like.
Yeah, but they're
Here,
cute.
here's
though.
this guy again.
That's cool.
This guy. Well, I know this guy's a starfish. This guy. And this guy. Oh wait, there's more. Oh, a little hedgehog or something like that.
You already have a hedgehog.
Whatever that thing is.
See? A hedgehog.
Oh, that's what that is. It's a hedgehog. But what's this then? Don't know what this one is.
Let's tell the comments that.
Oh, it's a bear.
Bear. Again.
Spam mushy jello in the comments.
Yeah.
We got. Oh, I love these. I have one of these. It's glow in the dark though. So I'll keep my stuff on this side, okay? Mine's pink. Yours is yellow, Quentin. Okay, so now we're gonna open this. Okay, so ready? The big reveal.
Oh my.
Big reveal.
Oh, Canon DQ. It's a
I'm gonna be playing with this all day, basically.
I might not.
Okay, so the very last thing now, Quentin. Three, two, one. Blue axolotl. Oh, choked on my spit.
Yeah, but I'm not doing that one right now.
Okay, I am okay.
Because I still have most of.
Well, you can open those after the video.
Come on. Me. Oh. Tell me in the comments what.
Blue axolotl. Boop, 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 boop.
Yeah, blue axolotls are one of the rarest axolotls.
Well, they are the rarest axolotls. Okay, so I am going to put all of these.
Wait, this is a sheep.
No, it's not. It's not even close to a sheep. Okay, so I am going to put all of my stuff right here. This pile, all of my garbage over here.
I can't believe that now. Oh, it's time for my thing. I forgot how to open it. Can you help me, Ben?
I'm cleaning up my Quentin right here. Quentin right here. All of this goes into recycling. Perfect. Okay, so I think that's it,
Nope.
Quentin. Okay, so should I help with yours?
Yeah.
Okay, so all this, Quentin's. Oh, this guy almost escaped on us. Do you want to do yours after the video, Quentin? Okay. Okay, well that's gonna be it for the video. We will see you next time in our next unboxing video
Yeah,
or
but-
gaming video.
Yeah, but no.
Oh, Okay. He wants to unbox his axolotl first. We would have had a perfect 10-minute video, but he wants to unbox his axolotl. Just so you know, we're filming on phone.
Yeah.
Because that's the only thing we have. This is our second video
Yeah.
on this channel. We have some shorts, but
The Enderman short.
he's not gonna be in most of them.
Yeah, but the Enderman short, you should always, if you watch it, then subscribe, okay? Because
Subscribe.
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 Subscribe? Yes, subscribe. I don't even know if I'm saying it right now. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna be it for this video.
That's
We'll
the
see-
end.
Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
We'll
and
see
then
you
our
in the-
merch, which is all this.
We don't have merch, Quentin. But we'll see you in the next one.
And we'll make
Peace.
merch. Peace.
We will not make merch.
Peace.
Peace.